So in this video, you'll learn how to mirror your iPhone to your Chromebook. So for this, you'll need to use a third-party app. I'll be using AirScreen, but if you know any other apps that you can choose to use, or you know any other apps that you're more familiar with, you can always just choose to install them directly from the Play Store. But so, all I need to do is start by installing AirScreen. So I can just go to the Play Store, and then search, and then type in AirScreen, and then search. From here, you should see your third-party app in the search results. So you want to select it, and then click on install, and then simply wait for it to be downloaded onto your Chromebook. So wait patiently. It might take a while depending on your Wi-Fi strength. And then once the app has been installed, you'll need to launch it. So you can launch it directly from the Play Store by just tapping on open, or you can go to the app screen and select it from there. So once you've launched your third-party app, you'll then need to set it up. You can choose to go through the setup process if it's available for you, or you can just start using it directly. So it will connect to your Wi-Fi network. So wait for it to connect, and then you'll need to grant permission so that it can connect. And then once the connection has been established, you then be prompted to connect to a device. So you can choose to connect from here if you're using AirScreen, or you can just choose to skip, and then you can go directly to the home screen. So this is how the home screen looks like if you're using the AirScreen app. And so now it will give you a name that you should detect on your iPhone whenever you want to try screen mirroring. So the next step is to grab your iPhone. And then once you've grabbed your iPhone, ensure that you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromebook. And once you've confirmed that, you then want to look for the screen mirroring icon in your control panel, and then select it. You should see the same name that you're currently seeing on AirScreen, or depending on your third-party app, you should see the current name. So you want to select it under your screen mirroring, like that. And then it should start establishing a connection. And then once the connection has been established, you can see I've successfully mirrored my iPhone to my Chromebook. So now everything that I'm doing, it's being replicated on the Chromebook with just a slight lag, but it's not anything too noticeable. So just go ahead, have fun, enjoy that you can now use your Chromebook on your iPhone, and you can mirror it onto a bigger screen. So you can see I can even open a Files app, can close it, open Apple Bookstore, all sorts of things, all from the comfort of my iPhone, just being mirrored onto my Chromebook. If you want to end the mirroring process, then you can just come to your iPhone, swipe down and access the screen mirroring settings, and then deselect your Chromebook, and the connection should be terminated. So now, whenever you want to mirror again your iPhone to your Chromebook, just look for this name in the mirroring settings and use it to connect. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.